In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to disable vibrations on the alarm of your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but you can use these same instructions for pretty much any iPhone. Now, if you don't want your phone vibrating when the alarm goes off, then you can go to the clock app. On the clock app, make sure alarm is selected and you can see a list of all your alarms. So what you need to do is go to the alarm that you don't want to have vibration for. So tap on that alarm and then go to sound, tap on that, and then under sound, if you scroll up all the way, you should see the option for vibration. So if you tap on that, you should see all these vibrations. We have this default synchronized vibration and all these other vibration patterns. But then if you go down, you should see none. So if you tap on that and then go back, you can now see vibration is set to none. That basically means there'll be no vibration on your alarm. But before you exit, make sure you tap on save in the top right corner to make sure those changes are saved. So from now on, your alarm will go off, make a sound, and not vibrate. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.